Alright everybody, welcome back to the garage and the Super Wrench Bench. It's Matt here with you. If you're a new subscriber, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So today we're doing a short project to get something up on the channel, and it is this. This is a brass belt buckle. It was given to me by a coworker when she was cleaning out some of her stuff. So it was given to me by a coworker former coworker, colleague, who was cleaning out some of her stuff. And she gave it to me because I'm into some pharmacy-related memorabilia. So while I'm cleaning this up, I'm going to give you some background on who I am, what I do professionally, and things like that. So, as of this August, I've officially been a pharmacist 5 years. Before that, I was in vaccine manufacturing and research and development. I have 3 degrees. I have a bachelor's, a master's, and a doctor of pharmacy. My bachelor's is in biology. My master's is in bioinformatics and biotech. And my doctoral degree is a doctor of pharmacy. I am a community pharmacist. I work at a local independent. I've actually only ever worked at independents. Alright, well that's looking quite a bit better. So I know this is a belt buckle, but I haven't the foggiest how you actually get it to hook onto. I know the belt goes through there, but I wonder if it's missing a piece. Alright, so let's see here. So we're looking better. I'm going to try to address some of this scarring over here. Let me get a little... Alright, so this definitely is a steel buckle with brass plating, because the corrosion went right through the brass into the steel. Well, either way, I still like it. It's going to sit up on my dresser. I don't think I'm actually going to wear it. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next video.